Hello everyone, this is Aishwarya from Senior IIT. So I have a question from probability. This is a typical question from probability and I'm going to give you the solution. So in the question they have mentioned that two dice are rolled, namely A and B, and the outcomes of A are given as alpha and the outcomes of B are given as beta. And they are given the variance of alpha minus beta as P by Q. So let's take the values of alpha minus beta, their cases and their probability distribution, and by creating this table we can find the variance. So first alpha as the largest number on the face of dice is 6 and the least number is 1, their difference can be 5 and also minus 5 because for alpha we can take 1 and beta we can take 6. So the difference can also be minus 5. So for alpha minus beta we have these many cases 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 so on till minus 5. So for cases we have to get the difference as 5. So for the cases we only have one case, that is 6 minus 6 and 1. So on for difference 4 we have 6 and 2 and 5 and 1. So on if we take the cases, here we get 0, the same number repeated twice. And for minus 1 we'll take the opposite of 1, that is 5 and 6. So here this is alpha, this is beta. So alpha minus beta, that is 5 minus 6, we'll get minus 1. And so on we have to take all the cases, just the opposite of the before values. So here P of x, that is probability distribution, we only have one case. By total number of outcomes is 36. So 1 by 36, 2 by 36, so on till here we'll get 6 by 36 as it is 0 and we have 6 cases. And these numbers repeat again. So for mean, we have to find the variance. So for that we need the mean value. That is, for mean we'll get the value as 0 because here we have the mean formula is x into p of x is equals to xi. So 5 into 1 by 36 and here we'll have minus 5 into 1 by 36. So each and every case will get cancelled and here 0 into 6 by 36, that is already 0. So therefore we'll get the mean value as 0. So for the variance formula we need x square into p of x is equals to xi. So here as this is the x values and we'll square this thing and multiply to the p of x is equals to xi. So these minus values will also become the positive and we'll get the double of each values, that is 5 square into 1 by 36 minus 5 square into 1 by 36. So if we add all that we'll get 2 times of 25 by 36, that is 5 square by 5 square into 1 by 36. So when we simplify we'll get the variance as 35 by 6, that is they have given that the variance is p by q. So they've asked us to find the sum of number of divisors of p. So here in this thing we have taken p as 35. So 35 can be written as 5 into 7. So the divisors are 5 and 7. And we have a formula. Okay, this is in the form of GP. So we'll have this formula. By substituting 5 and 7 in this formula, we get 5 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 into 7 power 1 minus 1 minus 1 by 7 minus 1. If we simplify this, we'll get the answer as 48. Thank you.